Have you ever wanted to create a winter wonderland, but inside? Keep watching. When we think of Christmas, our minds go to a winter wonderland. Every Christmas card you see, it's on the front. Also, the movies that you watch as well, all have dustings of snow outside, and we all dream for a white Christmas. We don't always get it though. But what if there was an opportunity of you to have a white Christmas indoors? Well, you can. Right behind me here is the snowy Dorchester. Take a look at that. Looks like a real Christmas tree that's coated and dusted over the outer side of its tips with beautiful snow. And it's the detail of it that makes all the difference. You may have seen some trees that have been snow coated but don't quite look real. The difference with this one is it is the high deluxe premium end, and that is it's got double the amount of tips. And look at the volume from the top right the way down. Take a look. It doesn't finish halfway up. It goes almost to the bottom. There is space for the stand underneath, so it is really full. But the detail is where you get the effect. This one here looks like a Norway spruce branch. This one here looks like a Scots pine. That one there is like a Nordman. Plus, there are real pine cones in here that have also been coated. And that is the detail that's creating this overall effect. Double the amount of tips and different style branches to bring out that visual effect. Snow more on the outside, just like a real tree, and that is the beauty. The key is not to make it just one item, a tree in the corner, but for a winter wonderland is to stretch the theme through the rest of the room. So above your fireplace, on your mantelpiece, there are in fact snowy garlands to add. There's also a snowy wreath as well. All of this collects to make a very unique Christmas effect in your own lounge. So with the snowy Dorchester, there are three real ways that you can enjoy it visually. First of all, just don't do anything. Just leave it in the corner with the snowy effect. But the second way is to light it. And here there's a couple of good options. Firstly, you can buy them pre-lit. That's already assembled in. So when you get it, you just connect it together, plug it in, and it's ready to go. Or you can buy it unlit and add your own lights to whatever theme that you want. There are many different colours of lights and different styles. Now these are traditional Christmas tree lights, and they'll create a very nice effect, but I want a dramatic feature. So instead of using these traditional ones, I'm going to use these. Now these are tree brights, and as you can see, there's almost 3 times as many LEDs in a meter than traditional lights. Now the secret is to actually weave the lights right in to the tree and use as many branches as you can up and over, alongside one branch, back out and round again. I usually have it over the shoulder like this because it's then easy to feed. And then back to the bottom, and as you can see here, round the branch, tuck it in. And if you're getting it right inside the tree, rather than just hanging lights around the outside, you're actually going deep into the tree. It gives much more depth and brilliance to the display. There we go. And this is what the tree looks like with lights. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now, the third option is to dress the tree. And next I'm going to add some midnight blue and champagne gold, a combination of glass baubles and also a touch of Christmas floristry, changing a tree from this into this. Wow! And the snow really offsets the decorations that are on there. And a snowy Dorchester garland over the top of the fireplace, matching the decorations that are on here, exactly the same as the tree. And down here is a snowy Dorchester wreath. Now you could use this on the front door or above the fireplace. Here I've actually used a candle ring in there as well to make it a table decoration. And a final touch, a Sensicle. This smells of spruce, and I'm just going to insert it into the wreath there to add another sensory experience. Well, there you have it, a lovely snowy winter wonderland in the lounge. It's amazing what you can create, and it really offsets the decorations and brings a touch of something different to Christmas. And remember, Christmas with Premier couldn't be easier. If you enjoyed this video, there's more in this series. Just follow the link in the description below. And please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends. And if you subscribe to my channel, I'll let you know when there's more great content coming like this. Merry Christmas.